Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, my name's Milo, #coolkidlolo. The reason why I haven't been posting on my YouTube is because we've been posting on my mom. So the link is in the description, and you can go to her page and see me. Cause like, who doesn't want to see me on her page? But anyways, I'm super excited. So let's just get into it. I'm just gonna tell you what happened. So I'm just gonna tell you what I did. So I ordered me some Fidgets. I'm super excited. Oh my goodness. So I ordered them off Amazon. I ordered them on Friday, so they were supposed to get here today. So obviously they got here today, which I was thinking they wasn't because it was taking them a long time. And I was like, girl, if you don't hurry up and give me my package, like I'm not gonna wait all day, okay? But anyways, so I got my package finally. So we're gonna open it up. So I didn't peek, so I'm super excited. So let's get into it. Y'all can see it first because I'm not gonna open it. Okay, let's just open it. Alright. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Got these. I'm gonna pop these later. Well, actually, I'm just pop some.
Ah! Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
Just pop two. Oh my goodness, I love that sound. Okay. So, got two more. So, I'm gonna open those at the end of the video. Then, the Fidgets. Almost dropped it. Anyways, so, move the box. Move. Go. Okay, thank you. Alright. So it's a pink container because I'm a girl, but I don't really know. That's why they put a pink container, but I can't open this thing. Oh. It says open. So. This ain't working.
Help me! Help me!
Okay. Thank you. Alright. So, got it open. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We're going to start with this first because I always wanted one of these. Oh my goodness. It looks so cool. Whoa. Oh my goodness. This is so satisfying. You guys. Oh my goodness. Look at how it gets red. You see that? If anybody has Fidgets, comment down below because this stuff is cool. Aww. Oh my goodness. I've never had one of these. These are so cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Next thing is this. Okay. Strawberry. Squishable. I just threw that across the room. Okay, this was really good. Oh my goodness. This is so good. It's so soft. It feels like cotton candy. It smells like cotton candy. Okay. We're gonna set that right there. Next, we got this. Why she look like that? Where did I open it at? Oh. Okay. I don't really know what this is. What is this? Guys, do y'all see this? Do you see this? What is this? I think it's a banana lady. I'm a banana. Squiggles, squiggles.
Ba 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 na na. Ba 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 na na. Oh, ba ba ba.
Okay, next toy. Ooh, what's this? Hold up. Can't open it. Oh, while we're waiting, I got this basketball. We're gonna be doing some hoops because I got a basketball court. So we're gonna be doing some hoops with this. So yeah. And then we got this one with numbers on it. Cool. Why everything say made in China? Why everything gotta be made in China? It don't gotta be made in China. Yeah. So, speaking of Fidgets, I will be doing fidget trades on my TikTok, fake ones. So, follow me on TikTok so you can know when I be posting on TikTok and YouTube. So, yeah. Then, the next toy we have is, what is this? Little green beans? Little green beans. I don't really know what these are, but they're cool. Okay, these are cool. Ooh. I think this is a type of poppet. Okay, let's move on. I'm gonna play with those later. Then we got this. What is this? I don't really know what this is. It's like a bouncy ball. I don't really know. But something. So I'm super excited to open that. Next, we have this. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, it's a fidget snake. I think. Oh, no, the other one is the fidget snake. Sorry. Oh, well, this might be a fidget snake too. I don't know. Well, I guess this is a fidget snake. I don't know, but looks like a cotton candy. Looks like a what are those things called? Like the things they be selling around Christmas. I don't know what they call, but they something. Oh, yeah, those. It look like that. Next, Rubik's Cube. I don't know if this is Rubik's Cube, but it looks like mine, so I'm assuming it's a Rubik's Cube. I love Rubik's Cubes. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but a Rubik's Cube. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is so cool. I'm gonna do another video about this later, so well, a different day, so yeah. That's really cool. I haven't had a Rubik's Cube in a long time. Whoa. This is so cool. Is this a magic cube? Yes. It's real cool. See, guys? They have different types too, but this one, everybody has, and it's really cool. So, we're gonna open it. I'm gonna tear the box, but I'm gonna have to. Well, I didn't tear the box. Good. Let's see. Alright. Well, what is this? Guys, look. And it literally has these things inside. I don't know if you can see it, but in there, it's like little things. Don't know, but really cool. I know what these are. I have some of these. I forgot they were called. These guys, really cute. I think this is the teddy bear one. I have to look on my checklist so I can scratch it off, but I don't know which one this is, but it's really cool. So, I think these ones are too, the banana and stuff, and the strawberry, but I don't know. What's this? Where is it? Where is it? Oh. Oh, cool. Oh. Guys, look. It's like a little maze with a ball in it. I don't really know if y'all can see the ball, but it's on this side. Yeah. It's real cool. It's crazy. I love these things. These things are supposedly so amazing, so hopefully they're amazing. I think these glow in the dark. These are so cool. What are these? Whoa. Look at these, guys. They're so cool. Wow. So expressive. I mean, so, never mind. Okay, next thing. These. Oh my goodness. Where do you open them at? Oh. cool. These things have little marbles in them, I think. These have marbles in them. They're really cool. Look at this, guys. There's a little green and stuff marble in it. With a little blue. These are super cool. Yep, these are super cool. Okay, next one is this. I don't really know what this is, but it's a dinosaur. Orbeez in it. Guys, can y'all hear this? Look, guys. Y'all hear it? It's Orbeez. So cool. Satisfying. Satisfying. Super satisfying. Oh my goodness. Next one is the snake. A lot of people say that this one is really cool, so hopefully it's really cool. Okay.
Like a snake, put your hand on your face. Move like a snake. Move like a snake. Move like a snake. Put your hand on your waist.
How you do this? Let's connect. Okay, I connected it somehow, but in a weird way, so I don't know. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Now. Okay, so we got that back out. Next one, hedgehog. The hedgehog. Okay. So purple hedgehog. Super cute, super adorable. Super adorable. Wow, feels really good. Y'all see this, guys? It has like little porcupines. Ah! Everything moving. That's really cool. Next thing is, I don't think you can open this. No, you can't. But it's really cool. Look at this. What's inside of that? What is that? I don't know, but it's something inside of it. But yeah. Next thing is this. Oh, you can do tricks with it. See, guys? I don't know if y'all can see it. My finger might be in the way, but you could do that. You can do this. You can do that. Do that. It's really cool. Alright, y'all, so that's all. I will be putting the link in the description for all these fidgets. So stay tuned because Cool Kid Lolo's coming back active next time. So before you leave, like, comment, subscribe, and do all that stuff. And we finna get lit next video. So let's go.